Hey everybody, so today I'm going to do a video on this triple braids. I already did a French braid tutorial. This one is a little bit different and a little bit harder. So I hope this video helped you guys, and yeah, without any further ado, let's just start the video. So first I'm going to wet the hair with this spray, and then I'm going to brush it to untangle it. Then I'm going to separate the hair in two parts, just right there on the middle. Then I'm going to brush it again to untangle it again, and then I'm going to do the other side and put a pigtail. Now I'm going to separate with my finger the other part in two, so I can create the French braid, and then I'll do that part later. With the fake nails, you can use them to give that really perfect line. It's really easy with the fake nails, trust me. Now I'm going to put the rest of the hair on just a bun, and the other two. Oh lord, what am I doing? I don't know. So I'm going to just spray the hair again to make it a little bit wet again because it's easier. And now I'm going to pick a little bit of it and divide that part in three. Now I'm going to start to do a regular braid, and as I'm doing the braid, so the hair stays flat on my head, I'm going to pick tiny pieces of my hair and get it together with the other parts. Is this making any sense? I don't know, but if you want something a little bit deeper of how to make the braid, you can check out my other video about French braids that I explain a little bit better there. So just do the regular braid, blah 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 blah, do the braid. Yeah. Now with that tiny plastic elastics, I'm going to just put on the end so it doesn't open. One done, a lot of more to go. So now this is really tangled, so I have to spray again and brush it again and separate another part. You can use the brush because it's easier, and the fake nail again there. So I'm going to put this one in just in a ponytail because it's easier, so the hair doesn't get together, and the other one on a bun. Now this one I'm going to do exactly the same thing, separate in three, start to do regular braid. Oh, and I don't do the braid upwards, I do it down. So as I'm doing, the braid stays a little bit more up and not as flat as it would if you go up. So just doing the braid, and you have to make it as tight as you can so it looks better. I'm not that good at making it tight on the end because I cannot see and I don't know if it's tight or not, even though I can feel it, but I don't know. But I try. I'm looking a mess, and it looks painful, and it is because your arms start to get really sore, and it's rough. I'm sorry. Woo, two done. Now this one you do exactly the same thing. Spray it, then brush it and separate the little part, and yeah. So here you do exactly the same thing that as you were doing previously. It's the same thing, you just have to make this one the perfect one, because I think it's the one that it stands out the more. But it's exactly the same thing, just keep doing what you're doing and you'll be fine. Now let's go to the other side. Now it's exactly the same steps, exactly the same thing. I'm just going to fast this one forward, and yeah, it looks painful. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you want me to do more videos like this of hair and hair tutorials, just let me know on the comments down below, and bye.